So to perform thoracic foam rolling, you're going to need a foam roller, lie on the floor. You're then going to lie on the foam roller, and it's going to be about midway up your back. You're not going to go any lower than that. You're going to cross your arms across your chest to take your shoulder blades out the way. You're then going to have your knees bent, and you're going to raise your hips up towards the ceiling, so you're nice and flat. And then you're going to spend a little bit of time just going up and down, just trying to soften up the muscles of your back. When you're happy with that, you get to about your mid-back, a little bit high, that way, that's it, good. Drop your hips towards the floor, and then you're just going to extend over the foam roller to really open up your back and go into extension. You then come out of that stretch, lift your hips up, then move a little bit further. So you're trying to go segment by segment, drop your hips towards the floor, extend over. If you want to increase that stretch, you take your arms over your head and just lie in that position for a few seconds before coming out that stretch. And you basically then want to move step by step all the way up to the upper spine.